Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to our trading desk where we talk about the daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good trade, and how did they resolve. So, today I'm sitting $30 in the green. It was a great day. I gave a little bit back, but overall, it was a great day. I would say that today was very similar to yesterday as what type of stocks I traded, but I would say that right now the market is starting to heat up like a lot, and I need to be aggressive now. Make back the money I lost and start being more aggressive. I would say that I'm still a little bit off the pedal because I get green and I get out and I don't hold it that long, which can be bad. But I would like to play it a little bit more safer than just going full on all out and blowing myself up. So, what did I trade today? There's a guy right now at stock up 1,750%. Look, now it's dropping like crazy. Look at this. Crazy. So I took a trade, first broke the ice on YOUL. So I was skeptical about this stock. I'll tell you why. So it had news that financial results, right? And it beat them. So it was great. And first off, when it popped back up here, it kind of had this very big rejection, and I didn't even want to trade it. I stopped looking at it immediately. Not only that, if I remember correctly, give me a second to search this up. So YOUL. Look at this. Look. So statistics. It doesn't have a float, and the shares outstanding are 65 million, which means that probably the float is around there as well, right? So I'm being a little bit skeptical, right? It's big share float. So I let it go, right? I don't trade it. But I am watching it. Wait, what happened? I clicked on the wrong. So I am watching it, and it pulls back here, and I see it, and I'm like, okay, if it breaks this level, I might get in. Breaks it, comes back down. Breaks it again, I'm like, okay, I'm getting in. At 130.22 on this candle, I bought 100, right, for 633. As it was rising, it goes up, goes a bit down, goes up again, and I sell immediately here, which was a bad move on my part. I literally held it for 10 seconds. See what I'm talking about? Like, I'm having this like I bought it, right? It goes down just a bit, I'm scared, and I sell it. I know it's normal, right? But like, looking at this chart right now, right? So 633, I bought right there, right here, right? I got filled. It goes up, it starts coming back down. It didn't, like, I'm still in the profit, and I'm already like selling, right? I should have held it a little bit longer. That's all I'm saying to myself right here. Like, trust in your trades. Look, it was a rising volume. MACD was open, right? Like, but I was thinking about the float a little bit too much. Okay, goes up, I sell $20, lock it in. MMA pops up, I immediately get in. Like, I caught it when it was right here. I got in at 245, rising, right? Pause back down, skyrockets up, and I sell. I sell on this candle right here as it goes up to 281. Same thing. I was scared about the float, did not want to get in, right? I should have. Like, there was nothing stopping me from holding this until 533, which would have been like the $200 trade, right? And today could have been like, right now, could have been like a $400 day. But I'm selling too fast. CYW, I take 2 trades in this. First off, I lose the first one. Pops up. And I get in right here on this candle for the pullback up again, and goes all the way down. I sell for minus $30, and then I leave it. I don't trade. I'm waiting for another stock. This stock goes up and just keeps going up. So I made another trade here, which I should have held as well, but still, I got in at 22 exactly at 220. So right here, yeah, on this candle I got in at 2022, goes down a bit, pops back up, and I sell right there. But I was in with 10 shares, so I didn't make that much, but still I could have waited and maybe made at least like $50 right there. And it's still going. Like, this stock is crazy to me. I'm good. 2000%. I mean, I should just held, bought and held. Crazy. Like, just some crazy shit. Okay, so tomorrow, get attacking, right? We're waiting for Sweets Wednesday. I will be a little bit more aggressive in terms of holding my winners, right? If I don't see an exit indicator, I will hold it, because right now I see that the market is hot and it's holding these levels that I like it, where I'd like it to be. So, on that note said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.